Yes, my name is Jatin and I'm a software developer with a strong background in full stack development. I have done my BTech degree from Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, Vidisha, and pass out in 2024 June. And then to upskill myself in the full stack development, I joined a Crio fellowship program in software development. Then there I got to learn about many things, front end and backend, and made me efficient in say JavaScript and React in front end, Node.js and MongoDB for backend. And I'm experienced creating multiple projects and full stack projects from scratch. And I'm good at building modular websites and modular components and handling e-commerce tasks. And along with my technical skills, I'm also experienced in leadership qualities, which I have done in my college days. And yeah, and I am from Chhindwara, a city located in Madhya Pradesh, India. Placement, the previous process of the placement of the campus coming to the colleges were not working well for me, and the companies was not coming to our college. So I was looking for some platform that can teach me the industry level learning and also helps me to grab a good placement offer. So I searched among the other edtechs, and one of my friend was also doing the Crio course. So I got to know about it, and then I contacted to the Crio, and the Crio team led me to decide that the course I'm buying, that I should buy. This kind of problem didn't arise for me because the team, the mentors in the class itself help us to solve some problems. And even if I got stuck in my some of the projects when I'm working at, so I'll raise a chat for technical expert, and they'll explain and solve my queries in the chat itself. And if they are not able to understand what I'm trying to say, then they join me, make me join to a meet and solve my problem individually. So yeah, that was a personal connection I got from the Crio team, that they helped me whenever I got stuck, and just solve my problems directly. And focus was to, yeah, they said that there's a good placement opportunity for the students. So that was my only aspiration, that I should have learned whatever they are telling and could prepare myself for with the placement sprints, which were also head by the Crio team, and that looking for the placement for better. There were some mentors that really I enjoyed joining their classes. The teaching was really fun, and yeah, pretty good teachers were there, good mentors were there. And they were the first of all, that they were of art, some of were good tech leads, so they also help us to know more things other than the curriculum. They told us to how to learn more things from whenever, and we also got connected to them with the in the LinkedIn itself. And sometimes I got stuck or I want to know something, so I messaged them in the LinkedIn and they reply. And one of the mentor also shared me his WhatsApp number to me. So they were really supportive to me, and they understands what are the problem I am facing, and they solve the problems accordingly. I'm really excited because whatever I learned from the BTech, whole BTech, and then the Crio course of 1 year, so I want to apply whatever I learned and make a good work in the company, and also continue learning from the others. So yeah, I'm great at excited to work in the company. For them, focus more on the topics that you know already. So sometimes what happens when we go to the interview and we try to cover new things, instead of knowing the previous thing which we know better, we instead of covering all the things, we are not able to answer the very basic questions which we already know, because lack of practice. So instead of going for the new topics more, just focus on the current topics which you already know. And because sometimes the interviewer, what it sees that you are not able to go for the new topics, so he still try to take on the old topics only to know better that you know it or not. So yeah, that's the most thing. And whenever the assignment of the companies comes, for example, assignment which they wanted to make, they wanted us to make, so try to make extra functionalities. For example, a website came for us to make full stack or front end anything. So try to make some one or two extra functionalities from your side that got chances of selecting in assignment. No.